How to change default PDF viewer on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the default PDF viewer on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone, and now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now just tap on manage apps, and now here once you are in this section, just tap on the search bar at the top and simply find the app that currently opens your PDF. For example, let's say Google Drive, WPS Office, or Adobe Acrobat. So here once you've found it, simply tap on it, and now here once inside the app info page, simply scroll down to the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as clear defaults. So simply tap on it, and here once you tap on it, it will remove it as a default PDF viewer. Now with that, you can just go and tap on any PDF file right there, and there your phone will ask which app you want to use it to open. So here choose your preferred app like Adobe Acrobat Reader or the Google PDF Viewer, and after that you can set it as the new default if you find that option, or you can keep on opening the PDF format or PDF file in the drive or your preferred app, so it will be automatically set as your default reader. And that's it. That's how you can change the default PDF viewer on Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.